morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry that I'm getting this started a little bit later than I had planned. I'm normally going to be doing a 10 o'clock and a 2 o'clock lesson each day, so your morning review lesson is going to be on slope. I've posted a link on Google Classroom for IXL, finding the slope from a graph. Now, if you guys have your journals, which all of you should, your reference should be 3.1 rate of change in your journals. Let's make this bigger. So finding slope from a graph, that's what our IXL link is this morning. Lifting that up, it says mark the points where the graph crosses the grid lines exactly, and then your slope is rise over run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now you guys can do it one of two ways. You can do your rise over run, or you can make your xy table and then use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's not an equation that you need to memorize. That's on your reference materials, which you should have in the back of your journals, or I should probably just post a video, or rather a picture of it. I'll do that. So you should have your notes open for reference 3.1 again. And so let's do one of the ones that I have on my screen. So this one says, look at this graph, what is the slope? Okay, so I've got my little scratch paper, you can see that in the corner over here. I'm going to make an XY table. For this one, I'm going to do an XY table. And if I'm going to go over to my graph, I'm going to find where the line intersects a point exactly. So this first one is at 10, 20, 10 being the X value and 20 being the Y value. And then what's another good one to use? 30, 30 right here. Okay, now let me make my teacher work bigger. So our slope, or our M, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. My roommate's so nice, she's going to go take care of my stuff in the oven. All right, put a little 1, put a little 2 by your x and your y values. y2 is 30. My y1 is 30. Oh, my y1 is 20 rather. Ooh, I almost made a blunder. Over my x2, which is 30, minus 10 is my x1. Make sure that you do y over x, not x over y. 30 minus 20 is 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. 10 divided by 20 reduces down to 1/2. Now let's go back to IXL. It says simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction, improper fraction, or integer. So it doesn't want you to record your answer as a decimal, so I'll do 1 over 2. All right, awesome. Let me see. Oh, it doesn't let me jump to another level. So it should be pretty basic. I think that from the ones that I've seen, they're only going to be positive slopes, but you'll do as many of these as you need to get a SMART score over 100. I have been noticing several people have been doing such a great job on IXL and on the assignments. I will be doing shout outs this afternoon for people who had excellent answers on their afternoon assignment yesterday, 6.1. And I'll also be doing shout outs for people who had a SMART score over 100 on IXL link from yesterday. So your review assignment for this morning is finding the slope from a graph, and then around 2 o'clock today I'll be posting your new material that we'll be learning for Unit 6. All right, guys, feel free to let me know if you guys have any questions. Love you.